Hi, my name is Ellen, and I had a dental implant procedure with Dr. Gedeon. Before I had the implant done, I was having a bit of a problem with a tooth that had an old crown that had been done many, many years ago. And after a certain amount of time, the tooth becomes brittle, they break, and the tooth had to be removed, and I needed to get an implant. When I first met Dr. Gedeon, I felt very comfortable, I felt very confident. I felt I was in a great environment and couldn't be in better hands. Everyone here treated me with great respect and caring, and it was the best experience. If you have to go through something like this, you want to know you're in good hands. You want to be dealing with people who are caring and sensitive to what you're going through, and I got that and so much more here. So I have every confidence in the procedure that was done. I'm a very happy patient. I would recommend him without a doubt. The professionalism, his skill as a surgeon, the people, the whole package that you get here is the best I've ever experienced with just about any doctor, and not just an oral surgeon. This should be the gold standard for a physician's office.